Finally, I have put all 4 together for this video. It's taken me a long time to put these together. This is really cool. It really is. And now, the 3-minute video I longed to make. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy, here on the PEZbook channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Okay, so I knew of these promotional cards, and I knew of this one here with the staple. As you can see, the staple has been torn, but the candy pack is still in with the card. And if you move the candy pack, you can see that this is a promotional card advertising the PEZ game. There's also this version with this little hole in it. I don't know where these were hanging, but these were hanging giveaways at one time, I would assume, with this hole in it. Here is an advertisement sheet where it talks about the game when it first came out. You could get a box with 36 packs for $72. No discount. No discount. But one thing I did notice is this Heesor card in the photo. Let's see if we can get it. Number 198. He's number 123, though. And number 198 is actually a hologram card, which they don't talk about in this here. Now, this is where the staple comes into play. This pack is actually stapled to this piece of paper, as you can see there. And this is your official order form. I want to say around 2000, 2001. But yes, these are the pieces that they're pretty hard to find. But I have managed to put all 4 together. And now you know about some other cards for your PEZ card game. Very cool. Still want to know more about that hole in the plastic. Still want to know more. Always wanting to know more. But all my card numbers are 123. So until next time,